Okay, if you're like me and you have these big thumbs here that you can't do any kind of typing, you've always had a problem doing typing, you're looking for some sort of solution to that. Well, Cortana helps somewhat with it because you can just speak a lot of your commands, but now with Windows 8.1, Phone 8.1, introduced a new feature called Swype Keyboard. It's been available for a while for other phones. We're going to use Word to go in here, but you can use it anywhere, usually in your phone. It's in texting and all that, but just to have a bigger place to text here, I'm going to go ahead and show you how Swype Keyboard works. It's very simple. The fact of it is you can just drag. You normally use to type. You just say, see, I already screwed up now. So you can click on that to do it. And the autocorrect is really great as far as predictive touch and everything. However, when you get to start using Swype, you get to use it a lot easier. Now I use the lefty, so I'm going to go T. Now if you hold it down, by the way, you can select which letter you want to use, including special characters and things like that. But now, if you wanted to do it, if you swipe really fast, you can just grab it and you watch, and you'll see here down at the bottom of the screen, you'll see a little trail go. Now I did it wrong, so I'm backspace out of it. But if you get close to the word, it'll go ahead and type it in for you. Now you can confirm it by using it there, but you don't even have to. You don't have to put a space in. You don't have to do anything except continue typing. So if we say now is the time for, yeah, that's right. And on you pause for a second there, wiggle a little bit, all. Good. And then again, correct. Men. To. I can confirm it if I want. Come. I made a mistake, so I can do the usual. Go back there, hit backspace, come back here to the end, and continue typing to the aid of their party. Now, you'll see there's little icons here. If you look at that little icon right there, when it has certain words and it has emoticon for it, it'll actually put it in. So you see a little guy down. Oops, I hit the keyboard. Let me back up a little bit here. Hit the keyboard. You can, if you're an emoticon kind of person, it'll suggest emoticons for you. You don't even have to go look them up. You just hit the emoticon, and once you tap on it, there it is in your message as well. And it replaced the word, if you noticed, in the message. So anyways, you don't have to do it. You can actually just put a space in it and still have the emoticon there and go ahead and hit that. But now we're going to just try a different one. We're going to try a different phrase. That's a common phrase. Now, so I'm going to go back. I'm going to just go do a random phrase instead. Okay, how, now, this is very random. Brown cow. Oh, didn't make a cow, so we're going to go back up, and we're going to, you notice there's a card there, icon, by the way. So, but let's go ahead and back up, and I'm going to go back way. Whoops, I'm going to go back up all the way, and I'm going to go here and click on this and say, how, now. It replaced it. So you got to be careful once you learn how to use the interface. While it's waiting there, it's going to asking you for the correct word. You just simply go to the next word. Now, brown. Oh, didn't do it again. And let's try it one more time. Of course, no, didn't do it there either. Now I could have hit cow there, but I just wanted to show you the. And sure enough, there's a cow there waiting for you to use after the word. So that you can add an emoticon to the end of your message. Well, at least a sentence. So anyways, but we can continue to do this one more time. We're going to go ahead and do one more line. I'm just going to use this time I'm going to use a random sentence that comes to mind. It has nothing to do with a familiar one. So you can see that it doesn't predict based on the phrases or anything. It actually predicts by the letters you type and the way you swipe to predict on the next one. For example, here it does the, even though I hit R, THR, because there's no word that has the THR by itself. Had I continued on with through, for example, it would have. But again, as you go through this, you can do what you want, keep swiping. Is not owned, very nice, by the baby. Oh, it's not owned by the baby. It's not owned by the bank. So there we are. There's a bank icon there as well. So again, Swype is very nice, very robust, integrated into everything you do in Windows Phone 8.1. Now again, this is for people that maybe don't have had that problem with typing with your thumbs and everything. You haven't had the practice, or you just sort of gave up on it. I don't text that much. So you can replace those big fat thumbs with a single finger that can do all the work and do it quite nicely, quite quickly as well. So don't forget to take a look at the new Swype keyboard in Windows Phone 8.1. Hey, for more great tips from Old Guy Geek, don't forget to subscribe, share it with your friends on Facebook or Twitter. Take a look at our playlist, Windows 8 playlist, Windows Phone 8 playlist, and a general how-to, and of course our latest featured video. And thanks for watching.